I have long been waiting for a time when young, enthusiastic and intelligent people join the political process. So far we have had many criminals and many corrupt people and many people who haven't been able to think of the larger national good. Particularly in the last few years, violence and hatred have reared their heads everywhere in our country. And that is not good for the future of our country and the future of our country's citizens. That should be the most important point in the minds of people standing for election. Unfortunately, personal profit is the more important thing. Now we have young people coming forward. Someone like Saira Shah Halim, who is standing for election for the first time. And I know her personally. I know that she's an enthusiastic, hard-working and intelligent person who has been thinking deeply about what our country needs for the future, not looking back towards the past. I really hope that we can rally behind her and give her the votes that she needs to come into power, into the assembly, and make a difference to the life of the young people of our country. We must look ahead. We can't afford to keep looking at the back and raking up old angers and hatreds and problems. We must look ahead. Saira Halim is hope for the future. Vote for her, please. Strengthen the hands of intelligence and of harmony in our country.